Gosh, guys, they said it was supposed to be foggy out here. I don't see nothing. All I see is plain. I don't see no fog. You want to see how big my tree is? Oh. That's how big my tree is. So, yeah. Where is a bicycle? I'm gonna go ride my bicycles. What is my dog doing? What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Guys, so I'm gonna read some of this stuff and look at my mongoose. But that shit, they go. That's my ride right there, bro. I'll be riding it every morning. There's nothing else really to show. There's fog up there and stuff like that. They said it was supposed to be foggy today. They're correct, but I'm about to catch a frog. I'm gonna pause it here and then I'm gonna catch a frog quick. Well, not a frog, a cricket actually. So, hey, so guys, I'm here at the park. There's this secret area back here and there's a rock. Okay? This is where they only hide under. Oh shit, spider web. Oh, fuck. Got him. There he is. Dang, I dropped him. Tore off his fucking leg and I dropped a freaking leg and I dropped him. So yeah, there goes my fun. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, it's fog everywhere up through there and stuff like that. Yeah, the Texas route in the Texas, whatever it's called. It's fucking raining, man. Freaking rain. It's raining. Sprinkling from Texas. Yeah, the floods are going on in Texas right now. So we get a little sprinkles every now and then. But look at that fog, bro. All up through there. Oh, what the fuck? Fireman. Bit. Is he crawling on me? Bit. Sorry guys, there was a fire ant on my butt. I don't know if you can hear them crickets cricking. So yeah. Oh shit. There's where we had the big pool. No tomatoes already, but it's lit up in chat. So guys, if you followed me to the end of the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. See y'all later and peace.